Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch a key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewer, today's paper is about the maintenance of elevated active chlorine levels in the Antarctic lower stratosphere through HCl null cycles. Muller Rolf is the lead author. Viewer, the Antarctic ozone hole arises from ozone destruction driven by elevated levels of ozone destroying active chlorine in Antarctic spring. These elevated levels of active chlorine have to be formed first and then maintained throughout the period of ozone destruction. It is a matter of debate how this maintenance of active chlorine is brought about in Antarctic spring when the rate of formation of HCl is extremely high. Here the authors show that in the heart of the ozone hole, high levels of active chlorine are maintained by effective chemical cycles. In these cycles, the formation of HCl is balanced by immediate reactivation, that is by immediate formation of active chlorine. These results are important for assessing the impact of changes of the future stratospheric composition on the recovery of the ozone hole. The simulation indicates that in the lower stratosphere, future increased methane concentrations will not lead to enhanced chlorine deactivation, and that extreme ozone destruction to levels below approximate to 0.1 ppm will occur until mid-century. Viewer, this article was published in the Journal of Atmospheric Chemistry and Physics in March 2018. I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.